Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, before I what before I tell you presenting about this diagram, I want to introduce myself. So my name is Akbar Rizky Pratama. Uh, yeah, my friends call me Akbar. And without further ado, we just go to this diagram. So this diagram shows us about the process of the milk production from the first step, from the cow until become the real product that we see like in the supermarket, like fresh milk, cheese, cream, and butter. That all of this is made by F. All of this is from the cow. So the first one is the milk take by the machine. Usually is twice a day, and then after that, the milk uh, storage and refrigeration storage for for make it for keep it the milk is cool, and then after that the milk get taken by tanker milk tanker that deliver to dairy, and from dairy we can uh, make we can uh, spirit other we can make other product like cheese, cream, and butterfly, and also we can also make fresh milk, and then we package all of this and send to the market or maybe shop. And then if you want to buy some milk or maybe cheese, cream, or butter, we can go to supermarket or maybe shop, and then we buy, and then we drink or maybe we use that cheese or cream for our what for our food. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.